Right guys, I got opportunities in here. Like the metrics airdrop I dropped in our telegram group, it's not difficult. You guys should not fade on it, okay? All you need to do before you start participating in any of this airdrop, make sure you install mexc browser on your phone, and make sure that when you open that mexc browser, you make sure you click on this particular icon on the mexc browser, and you add a metamask extension. Grass also is grass extension is an airdrop. Make sure you have metamask. So how do you do that? It's very easy. This is what you will see when you open your mexc browser. So you click on, look at it, you click on metamask, and metamask will be installed on your here, you understand. So anytime you log in to MetaMask through your mexc browser. So like this airdrop metrics, there are two ways to do it. It's either you copy the link and go and paste it in the browser on your MetaMask application, the browser. Copy the link and you come to this browser and you now paste the link here, okay? But most of the time it's difficult. I prefer using mexc browser, the MetaMask on my mexc browser. So now make sure you change the network before you start the metrics airdrop, the network to from Earth to Polygon, that is metrics network. You click there and you switch it to Polygon Minute network, and that is it. So the next thing you do, because they will be charging you gas fees when you are claiming the airdrop, you copy this address, you copy this metrics address and go to any of your exchange where you have USDT, convert the USDT, $2 worth of USDT to Matic. You understand? Use other platform. Binance will not allow you to sell little. You can use Bingx, bybit, and others. So just convert like $2 to Matic and send it to this address you copied. Okay, so you are ready to go. Now just come and copy the metrics links like this one. If you set your mexc browser as default, as you can see, I'm in my mexc browser, it will open the link. If you did not set it as default, then copy the link and paste it in your mexc browser. So now you scroll down to the page of the metrics. If you are using phone, it will be small. Zoom out and you will be able to click on join. So immediately you open, you see a lot of taxes you are to do, and you need to connect your X account, your Twitter, and your wallet. So first connect your wallet by clicking connect wallet, then you click on MetaMask. So you input the password to your MetaMask. Once you input, you will be told to sign in. You can see this is the reason why you selected your matrix account on MetaMask. So you sign in. So you can see your account will be connected. So the next thing is to activate. Okay, so for you to activate this, you need gas fees. So you need to go and deposit matrix Polygon into your MetaMask account. Okay, so you go to your MetaMask and deposit Polygon. Okay, so you can see you just copy this and go to any of the exchange where you have like 2 USDT and convert the USDT to matrix, and you now send it to this address. So immediately you found this, you refresh, you will now see your matrix is there. So you can always go back to the tax. So once you now found, automatically you can now click on activate and it will activate for you. When I click on activate now, because I've not deposited, it will tell you blah blah blah. It will give you something like this. So the reason why is because you have not deposited gas fee into your matic. Remember the two matic you deposited, or the 2 USDT, they won't take it to. It's just there. It's just there. So when you are claiming reward, it's like a minute something. It will just be there. So you'll still have your money. Okay, you can withdraw it anytime. So you now immediately after everything, you now click on activate. Okay, once you now activate, you now click on connect, you put your email, they will send you a code, you inside the code, You understand? They will tell you to connect your Twitter. Just connect your Twitter. So immediately you connect your Twitter, you now start doing these tags. It's just easy. Each one they say retweet. When you click and it will take you to now retweet. You now just repost and come back. It will be active. So when you do this for 24 hours, when you do this for 24 hours, do all these tags. They are just easy. Just like and post connected to your Twitter or X account. So now this is my main account. You can see I've already performed the tags. So every day you just come and do some tags, like let me say retweet now. Let me click on this retweet. This is how to do the tags. You click on retweet, and so it will not tell you repost. That is it. You have done that task. You just click backward and you now click on this verify. So it's not verifying. You just go back. Okay, after 2 minutes it will verify. Maybe if it's two retweet, it will tell you retweet again. But if it is unverified, you don't have to retweet. So after retweet, it will tell you to claim. Then you now click on claim the point. So you can see all these tasks, they have been completed. I did it like two times. All this one will be completed. The ones you'll be seeing daily, just few ones like retweet. Like this one now, I'm told to retweet this. I will click on retweet. So you have a few retweet like this. Immediately after you have done it, click on verify. So you can see it is now 2 minutes to verify, okay, to be submitted. Then you can now claim. To now this button will now turn to claim later. You now claim the point. So when you claim the point, you now have like 3 keys here. So you now click on claim. So you claim like 3 times. They will tell you, they will charge you that matrix fee. They are not charging, they are charging a minute. Nothing is reducing. So just click like 3 things. Then this place, because I've done this already, that is why it will now say open. When you open, that is where you will now come and click on refer a friend, this last option. Then you will now have a referral code here. So the next day you will come and do the same thing. You have another referral code. That's what you'll be sending to our Telegram group. Please, if you are not in our Telegram group, join our Airdrop Telegram group where you do only legit Airdrop. On the description of this video, you see the link to join. Okay, so guys, that is how to do the metric Airdrop. It's very easy to do. Every day do that tax and refer a friend. If you already open the box, generate your referral link and send to us, and you can be seeing your points are going higher on daily basis. Okay, it's only when you use that referral code that you have times 10. You can see I'm having times 10 of everything. So you must use referral code to have that times 10. All right guys, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Like this video. Please like this video so that other people will find this channel. Then refer other people to this channel to participate in Airdrop. No one will give you detailed description on how to participate in Airdrop like this channel. Like, share the channel, and subscribe and turn on the bell notification. See you in the next Airdrop.